Welcome friends. Again two questions from I had taken these two questions basically from the IIT Mains in July 2022. These two questions I just told the 2022 we have got these questions, and these questions are from there, and this shows what type of question going to be asked in the examination of IIT Mains. That is what I am going to tell you. My friends, you are there preparing for IIT Mains. So therefore, let's do the question. Read the question, understand what is given, how to find out basically what is required. First of all, let me read the question. The normal to the hyperbola, this is a hyperbola. This is a square written here, and this is 9 is at the point. This is a point on the hyperbola. Normal is drawn. This is the point on this. This is a point on this hyperbola. Their normal is drawn, and that normal, of course, he needs to find out कि कौन सा other point he wants to pass through. The other choices are given. That out of the four, which one is the one to go? I have got the question. This is the normal to the hyperbola. This one. At the point 8 and 3 in the through passes through which of the following one of the points? This is the question number 12 that asked in the main 22, that I don't agree. June 26 June shift number 2, the question has been asked in IIT Mains. So this is the 26 June 2022 second shift, this question there. Now first of all I have to find a square. पहला तो point ये है कि it passes through this, so this point is going to satisfy. Satisfy means 64 divided by a square minus 9 into 3 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So this is here, that this passes through this point. 64 divided by a square is equal to 9 into 3 divided by 9. This is equal to this. Now from here you can find the y is equal to what? 9 into 9 goes and into 3. Therefore the 64 divided by a square and the 9 common is 3, therefore is equal to 1. Therefore 64 a square is equal to 4, therefore a square is equal to 16. So I found a square is equal to 16 from one concept. That concept is that this point normal has been drawn on this, therefore this point going to satisfy. So I got one answer, a square is equal to this, number 1. So my equation of the hyperbola is this minus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. This is the equation, we got it. Now first concept he asked that the point, the normal has been drawn from the hyperbola, therefore this point lies on the hyperbola, and that thing you have to clear about it. Second, now this hyperbola we have to find the equation, and then we check up which is going to satisfy this. So you should know what the equation of hyperbola is. We have got a square into x divided by x1 plus b square into y upon y1 is equal to a square plus b square. You should know the equation of hyperbola at the point x1 and y1. This you should know the equation of the hyperbola at the point x1, y1 on this one. Now this is here it is. So we have got this point. This is there to go. Now this passes through at this point. So x1 is 8 and y1 is this, and this is 16 into x divided by 8 plus this is equal to, what is the b square is equal to 9 divided by 3 into this one, b square into y is equal to a square is 16 and b square is equal to 9. So it is equal to 25, 8 2s are and 3 3s are. So 2x plus under root 3y is equal to 25 is my answer. This is the we have got, this is the the equation that here it passes through This is the normal equation. Now I have to check up which is going to be my answer. 25 here, under root 3, under root 3y, 25. It means it should be here, this x should be minus 2 and this will be 27. So my answer is this one. This is this one. Minus 2 and 9 and 27 is equal to 25. Satisfied. Therefore my answer is 6. I cannot put x is equal to 9, 18 plus, this both are plus, cannot be the under root. I got this minus 2, okay, but 6 into 18 does not make it, and 15 is not there. 13 plus 2 and both are positive, not equal to 25, under root is involved. So I got the answer. So simple question, you should have two concepts. One, the point on the hyperbola is satisfied. Number two, the equation of the normal at the point which is given by this should be known to you. This is the one. This is the first question that I want to do. This is the one. Now here I go to the second question that in the main IIT has been asked. He says find the locus of a point, locus of the midpoint of the line, locus of midpoint of a line, which one point A is equal to 4, 3. This one point joining this, and there is any point on the ellipse. The given ellipse is x square plus 2y square is equal to 4. So x square by 4 plus my y square upon 2 is equal to 1. This is the one. So here a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 2. I am talking about the ellipse. He says what is the any other point is on the ellipse. There is a point on the ellipse. Now when I talk about x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Whenever you choose any point on the ellipse, I suggest you go into parametric form. What is parametric form? Is equal to a cos theta and b sin theta. A cos theta. They go to parametric. Then when you find the locus, I'll tell you why it is to be used in that case. Now this is equal to a. This is 2 into cos theta and under root 2 into sin theta. This is. I want to find the locus of this point h and k. Now 2 cos theta plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to h, and 3 plus under root 2 sin theta divided by 2 is equal to k. Now here I want to eliminate theta and get the answer in hk, and that will be my locus. Put h is equal to x and k is equal to y, and that will be simple to go into this. So what I'll do here, I'll find cos theta, sin theta here. Sin theta is equal to 2k minus 3 divided by under root 2 is equal to sin theta. And what is cos theta? Is equal to 2h minus 4 divided by 2. And now I eliminate. He says, what is the locus of the midpoint of this? He says, this will be the locus of the is another ellipse, and we have to find the eccentricity of that. Now here he says, now I will eliminate. First of all, I find the focus, locus, scaring and both, scaring 2h minus 4, let the 2 common, it is equal to h minus 2 cos square theta plus 2k minus 3 divided by under root 3. 2 this is equal to 1. So let h minus 2 whole square divided by 1 plus k minus 3 by 2 divided by 2 here. So it is equal to 1 over under root 2 its whole square. And 1 over 2, so it is equal to, I put this is down here under root 2 squaring, so I'll take 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Friend, it is an ellipse. However, it is not in that form which you look at the x square upon a square. We have to shift the origin to 2 and 3 by 2 to get the standard form. What we got it, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. But I am not concerned about the change of the, I don't want to focus, I don't want it to, the question doesn't ask me the focus, locus and anything like that. I focus and vertices. He want to ask me the eccentricity. For eccentricity, I need to find out the a square and b square, which I got it here. So what is the eccentricity for ellipse is equal to e square, is 1 minus e square is equal to b square upon a square, and e square is equal to 1 minus b square upon a square. So 1 minus half upon 1 is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore this is answer y 1 over under root 2. This is the answer of mine. I find this is the question to go. Simple to go for the question. You should know what is to find, what you are to find eccentricity. We to know this. We have to know this. For them, b square a square, we found a locus. We found this is the form of x minus x1 whole square. We know this is not a standard form, but it can be shifted to this, and this shift is origin of 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So this is the, here we got two questions. Hope you will understand and do the revision. Thank you.